Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that holds the Adsense profile. This ensures you can access payment and account settings. Once signed in, make sure you review payments and resolve holds so closure won't block funds. Export key reports and copy ad unit codes from your sites. You may need them later. Do these now to avoid losing revenue records or breaking live ads after deletion. You will now navigate to Adsense settings and begin the closure flow. Follow the prompts under Account and Settings to start closing. Verify identity if requested, and check payments to request any final disbursement before proceeding. Once you choose Close Account, confirm that you understand ad serving stops and data retention policies. This prevents accidental revenue loss. Keep a record of confirmation numbers or screenshots for future reference. Finish by confirming the closure email and noting when the account will be officially closed. This is your proof the process completed. Then remove all Adsense code from your websites so ad calls stop and no policy violations occur afterward. If you encounter problems like missing final payment or account not closing, contact Google support with your account ID and screenshots. Persistence and clear documentation usually resolve holdups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.